Alright, y'all. We're gonna give her a little wash. Just recently picked this up earlier this spring. Had 22,000 miles on it. Now it's got about 25.5. I don't plan on not driving it. It's a Mazdaspeed6. I'm gonna enjoy it for the next few years. Many years, hopefully. And that'll be that. Build the motor next year, probably, we'll see. Stocky's got some life in her. Definitely needs a wash though. Alright, I'll check back. Alright. Not the best car washer, but she looking crispy. I did a little bit of love under the hood too. Not the best at that, but by the way, sheesh, fucking insane, boys. We take those though. I'm gonna set the phone down for a sec. Now I can't take credit for this. This is the handiwork of the previous owner for the most part here, but she's a beautiful car. Stock motor. JBR 3.5, HKS, little full blow off, no bypass, TR8 front mount, piping kit, JBR piping kit, catch can down there, 51R. Check this out, check this out. Brake cap actually tight. It's a good one. Got the vented demand or whatever, I don't even really know. Thought you couldn't do that. You must have a Gen 2 valve cover on here as well. Stock intake manifold. There's a BNRS4 hiding back there. Got the cork sport exhaust. 3-inch with the mufflers out back. And obviously it's got some powder coat and shit. And by he, I mean me. This is crazy that it was all obviously like this when I got the car. It has all the same mods as mine, but I'll tell you what, mine was not that pretty. And the one I had that I sold now at 176K, it's a little rusty, a little different vehicle. My oh my. Alright, well, more videos of this one to come. I got a PI kit, well, half a PI kit waiting to be installed right now. Oh, there she is. But yeah, half a PI kit, waiting on the rest. It's got diff mounts in the back. I installed those. Obviously got the cone eggs. She's on lowering springs already as well. Got some BC coils I can throw on, but for now these lowering springs are working. And I'm not ready for coilovers. Don't know much about them yet. Never had them before. A lot of firsts for me here. Not so much with the speed, but with like the luxuries like wheels. I was a stock wheel boy for my whole life before this. Yeah, well, this is my Speed 6. Fucking love this car. Couldn't be happier. Oh, geez. Can't not show you guys how it sounds. Stock clutch, so that's nice. Pretty idle, you know, kind of tame. Nothing too serious going on. That Core Sport does a good job. On my old one, I had God, I fucking love these wheels. On my old one, I had a custom 3-inch with a 3-inch MagnaFlow in the middle, resonator, but full open downpipe, the whole 9. And I like that. That was loud. Ain't gonna complain. But yeah, this is definitely nice too. Sometimes I miss the loudness, but I ain't complaining. Sounds healthy as a peach. Shut the hood quick, hold on. Alright. Well, this was the video of one. So yeah, like I said, got some stuff I'm waiting on right now. We'll be figuring that shit out later. But until then, I guess maybe stay tuned, subscribe. I'll have a couple more videos coming out with like some pulls and stuff, I think, eventually. I don't know why I haven't done that yet. I seriously love this car. Like, it is the absolute best purchase I've ever made in my life. Parents weren't really with me on it. I'm 23, turned 24 this year, so they were kind of on the house, but I'm not really feeling a house because they're so expensive right now. This car was expensive as well, but come on. Yes, sir. All right. Peace out, boys.